Most of us already live inside ChatGPT. It's become the everyday assistant we rely on for writing, brainstorming, and even decision-making. But here's the truth most people don't talk about. No single AI does it all. Every platform has its own strengths, its own blind spots. It's like hiring two brilliant employees. One might be the creative wordsmith, while the other is the sharp analyst who sees things you'd never notice. That's where Gemini Pro comes in. While ChatGPT dominates the text box, Gemini is quietly pushing boundaries in ways that feel almost mind-bending. It doesn't just respond, it can see, watch, and reason about the world in a way that feels completely new. And here's the key. This isn't about choosing one over the other. It's not ChatGPT versus Gemini. The smartest move is knowing how to use both, tasking each one with the jobs they're uniquely built for. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 core features of Gemini Pro that even the most hardcore ChatGPT fan needs to know. These are the must-use, can't-ignore functions that will completely change how you think about AI in your business, your work, and even your everyday life. Number 1, Gemini was built to understand video from day one. ChatGPT is a master of text. It was designed for words. But Gemini, from day one, it was built to watch, listen, and reason about video. Let me show you. I was watching a YouTuber talk about content strategy, and I found it interesting. So I just copied the link, pasted it into Gemini, and asked, summarize this video. What's the key message? Who's the audience? And what's the tone of delivery? It took some time to load and processing and watching the video. And done. Gemini instantly gives me a clear summary. But it doesn't stop there. It also breaks down who the content is for and even the speaker's style. Now let's take this a step further. I've uploaded 3 YouTube videos and I'll ask Gemini, rank these videos from best to worst, then take the strongest points from each one and combine them into a brand new script for me. Here's the result. Gemini not only ranks them, it actually pulls the best ideas from all 3 and rewrites everything into a single, polished script. That means instead of watching hours of content, I get the highlights distilled into something I can use right away. Now let's try the exact same test on ChatGPT. I'll paste in the same 3 YouTube links and ask, rank these videos from best to worst, and then create one new script combining the strongest points. And here's what happens. ChatGPT can't actually process video links. It either ignores them or just trying to give a smart guess on what he can read on the transcript. Gemini was built from day one to see, hear, and understand video. ChatGPT started as just text, and even now, it's still trying to catch up. Number 2, Gemini lets you upload an entire library of documents in a single prompt. Number 2, Gemini can handle an entire library of documents in one go. I've downloaded 10 different market research PDFs on the future of AI, and I'm going to upload them all at once. Now, here's my prompt. Based only on the information in these uploaded documents, what are the top 3 most cited challenges for AI adoption in business? For each challenge, list the file names of the documents that support it. It takes a few seconds to process, and here's the result. Notice how Gemini doesn't just give me the challenges. It actually cites the exact files that back them up. That means I can instantly see where each insight came from. Compare that to ChatGPT. Sure, it's fine at reading one PDF, but when it comes to cross-referencing across multiple documents and showing precise sources, Gemini Pro is in a completely different league. Number 3, Gemini is like Photoshop plus a pro designer right at your fingertips. Generate, refine, and edit images with simple instructions. Number 3, Gemini is like Photoshop plus a pro designer, all at your fingertips. Sure, AI can generate images, but Gemini Pro goes further. It acts like an art director that understands style and nuance. Let's start with a realistic scene. Generate a photorealistic image of a young man proposing to his girlfriend at a famous landmark. The scene should look cinematic and romantic, captured during golden hour with warm, natural light. The couple should appear natural and expressive, surrounded by a small crowd in the background taking photos. Make the details hyper-realistic, like a professional engagement photo. Here's the result. Human, emotional, and so realistic it could pass for a professional photo. Now let's switch styles completely. Create a colorful cartoon scene in a Disney Pixar style, a young princess riding on the back of a friendly dragon, flying over a magical kingdom. The dragon should look kind and whimsical with big, expressive eyes. Make the colors bright, cheerful, and cinematic, like a Disney movie poster. Boom! Gemini nails it. Playful, detailed, and full of personality. And finally, let's try a commercial use case. Generate a professional product photo, a young man holding an ice-cold soda can, smiling in front of a clean, white background. The soda can should look crisp, with visible condensation droplets, shot in high-quality studio lighting. Make it look like a real advertisement for e-commerce. This is the kind of image you could drop straight into an online store. Okay, we're done with image generation. Now let's move to Photoshop-level magic, but all through simple text instructions. Watch this. Change the soda can to my own brand. All right, it's loading. Boom, instantly replaced. Okay, here's a fun one. Let's try another edit. Make the boy wear a cowboy hat. Boom, done in seconds. This is where Gemini stops being just an image generator and starts acting like a true creative partner. You're not opening layers, you're not dragging tools, you're directing the edits with your words. I've got a separate video that dives deep into Gemini Nano Banana. Go check that out. Number 4, the instant video creator. Gemini can take a single sentence and turn it into a cinematic video in seconds. From text to cinema, it still feels like science fiction, but it's here right now. Let's do a test right now. We'll take the same princess and dragon concept we used for images, but this time, let's turn it into a video. I'll type the prompt. Create a cinematic video of a princess riding a majestic dragon over a glowing kingdom at sunrise. The scene should feel magical and inspiring. Show the dragon's wings catching the golden light, the princess holding on with excitement, and the kingdom unfolding below in rich detail. Let it load for a moment. All right, it's loading. And boom. A Disney-level animation appears right in front of your eyes within minutes. No need for a full video production team or years of design experience. In this new AI era, if you can type it, you can create it. Whatever you're imagining, as long as you can put it into words, Gemini turns you into a professional video creator instantly. That's how crazy and powerful this is. Number 5, from picture to solution in seconds. This is where Gemini goes beyond just looking at an image. It actually reasons with it. Take a picture of a dish and ask, what are the original ingredients? Gemini breaks it down for you. You can see how detailed Gemini gets, breaking down every possible ingredient. Now imagine you're scrolling online, see a delicious dish, screenshot it, and drop it into Gemini. It tells you the original ingredients, then even generates an image of those ingredients laid out, so you know exactly what you need. From there, it gives you the recipe and can even reimagine the dish, vegan, spicy, or a photo of the final plate. That's a full loop, picture to ingredients to recipe to visualization. Okay, let's try another example. Take a picture of a building and ask Gemini, what is this building and what are the details about it? In seconds, it gives you the history, the design style, and even the function of the building, turning a simple snapshot into a full story. Even something as specific as a Chanel bag. Gemini can identify it, pull up the price, and show reviews. This isn't just image recognition. This is real-world problem solving, powered by vision and reasoning. And that's the end of the top 5 uses of Gemini Pro. You've just seen Gemini analyze and compare videos, read through a whole stack of documents in seconds, create stunning images and even full videos from just one sentence, and solve real-world problems just by looking at a picture. This isn't just another AI update. This is a whole new era. The game has officially changed. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe. I'll be creating more videos on the latest AI tools, tutorials, and real use cases. See you in the next one.